Hey, can you turn the TV down? I'm trying to sleep in here. So I'm standing here in the living room of a house that I'm building, and right behind that wall right there is the master bedroom. Anyone that knows that has, really high ceilings know that sound can really bounce around. Right now it's not bouncing around that much because of the insulation, but once the sheetrock goes up, there's going to be a lot of echo going on. So I want to go ahead and cut down the noise transference between the two rooms. The way I'm going to do that is, one, I've insulated, even though this is an interior wall. Two is that I'm going to be adding National Gypsum's purple sound break product, which is a drywall that has 2 layers and then a viscous membrane in between. But the last thing I need to do is go ahead and add what's called a putty pad to the outlet covers to block any holes where additional sound waves can go through. Let me go ahead and show you how it's done. Anywhere where there are holes in an outlet or a switch box, I need to go ahead and put what's called a putty pad on there. Since the insulation is already installed, I'm going to go ahead and move the insulation out of the way just temporarily while I put these putty pads in. This is a putty pad. It's a very flexible, slightly sticky material. I bought a whole bunch of them off of Amazon. I'll give you the link for the ones that I purchased. But basically, it's going to wrap around the outside of the box. This one putty pad will usually wrap around one outlet, but because this is a 3-switch box, or 3-gang box, I'm probably going to need to use about 2 of these. So you start by line up the edge of the putty pad against the front. And I'm just pressing it against the box. It's really easy to mold. When I get to the sides, I'm going to go ahead and fold it. I'm going to take you around to the back side so you can see how I'm going to wrap it around the wires. On the back side, I'm going to rip the putty pad just so I can really get it around all these wires. And you really want to make sure you get a tight seal around the wires where they go into the box. And finally, I want to go ahead and just press this against the stud. After the putty pad has been applied, inspect the box and make sure you can't see any daylight coming through. One more thing you want to do before you install the sound break drywall is you want to seal the perimeter of the walls with a bead of caulk. Now you're ready to go ahead and install the sound break drywall. Go ahead and install on the walls and finish as usual, and enjoy a better night's sleep. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked it, you might want to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, or you might like one of these 2 videos. Enjoy!